We operated as an open shop for 5 years. We had a very hard time staffing the floor. Training was extremely difficult. When we signed with the Carpenters Union for American Precast, immediately we were able to fully staff our facility. We were able to cut back on our training and be able to rely on these guys to be cross-trained in every different aspect.
Right here, what they're doing is the decorative stones and the pillars for the light posts. Jake is their foreman. He has really got everything efficient.
One thing we like to do here is no one has a certain job. Everybody does every task. If someone calls off, we keep rolling, we never stop.
Jake brought me in. He knew I had experience working with Precast, doing what they do here.
We found that the Carpenters are really well trained in every aspect of these different skill sets. We've decided to move into the precast bridge industry, teaming with Valpont at Astor Brands. And we're going to offer a full line of single span bridge abutments, bridges for municipal and eventually PennDOT use. Prior to the Carpenters, this isn't something we would have dove into.
They can have a bridge set in a couple days and it's a third cheaper. And when you tell them that this bridge is all built at a union shop, there's great possibilities here.
With the Carpenters, we were able to bring staffing that was already trained and they were able to pick up these tasks very quickly. We feel we can grow at a steady pace now, knowing that we will have a strong, well-trained workforce.